First, let's know what the trend line is. Trend line is a series of high and low points that forms a straight line. So let's know how the trend lines are constructed. Trend lines are constructed by linking more than two price points in a straight line. The purpose of creating trend line. It's made to identify the trend of price movement. It's also created to indicate resistance and support levels. Support. In simple words, support is a point where downtrend stops, where buyers purchase and sellers become not willing to sell. And from this point, again the price will increase. Resistance. Resistance is a point where price stops to increase and from where price starts to get decreased. These are the peaks where sellers sell and buyers will not purchase. Resistance and support trend lines. It's the area which shows how the price has moved in the past and can also react in the future. Resistance and support both are important elements in technical analysis. A line which connects at least 2 points of resistance and finds the next point is called resistance trend line, and a line which connects at least 2 points of support and finds the next is called support trend line. Why do we need to draw this? We draw the resistance and support lines to know the possible chances of trade. Let's move to the parallel channel to know how it works. Shall we move to the components of parallel channel? Penetration, gravitational line, and consolidation. The first thing we need to know is penetration, that is excessive. Penetration is an amount of something which is more than advisable. Let's sort this out. A penetration is the area where price runs outside of the channel for a short period of time only and re-enters to follow back the channel. For traders, penetration is a golden chance where you'll get higher reward and lower risk. If you trade after confirmation of penetration, we must know the reason why the excess gets created. When aggressive buyers change their mind, they sense that the decision of buying is not preferable, so they get back to the channel with the help of the gravitational line. So let's dig a bit deeper into a penetration. A penetration is the point where the price crosses the higher or a lower boundary, but the price would not spend much time in that area. We can find demand on the downside and supply on the upside, which flies back in the parallel channel right after they serve from a strong support or resistance level, which indicates the rejection of the price level. Tails are generally confirmation for existence of an penetration. Bigger tail or series of tails are important in the excess area. For example, a larger tail is out of the channel with higher volume, which will have a higher probability of reversal in price. The second component we'll study is the price attraction, which is also called the gravitational line. In general, the gravitational line is a force that attracts price, which is a combination of support and resistance. It's the line where the price spends most of the time. Whichever price goes out of this level gets retraced and touches again, forming a tiny value area just above and below it. It controls the up and down movement inside the line. Consolidation periods as indecisive, where price fluctuates in a smaller range of prices. Let me try to explain to you another word. You have created a channel for a 30-minute chart and then you move for a daily chart. You'll see the channel look like a consolidation area. We'll learn more about breakout after maturity of confirmation and set up trade on it in the next advanced trading course. Last but not the least is tails. This session ends here. Wait for the next.